bringing you the news and information you need from the people making a difference. This is Comcast Newsmakers.
If we were to talk about your health, how important is the conversation about your teeth? Hello, everyone, and thank you for joining us. I'm Joe Basikia, and this is Comcast Newsmakers. We have Dr. Mitchel Friedman with us, with the organization called Dentistry from the Heart. We're going to talk about free dental screenings coming up and why it's important to get dental screenings, why it's important to know your teeth, how that could be a barometer for your health. Good to see you.
Great. Good to see you, Joe.
The reality is it's not just about a good smile, even though that's so important.
Yes, of course.
By the time you lose your teeth, that's not a good sign.
That's right.
But why is it also about your health?
Well, the recent studies have shown that 75% of all disease can be traced back to mouth. And so what we're finding is dentists are discovering people with early signs of diabetes, heart disease, kidney disease during having a dental screening.
So every dentist, if he or she is worth his salt, they're looking for not just the teeth. They're thinking,
Yes.
Is this a warning sign?
Yes. Yes. We also, it's very interesting when I find out that when they come to our office that this is the first time they ever had a blood pressure taken in a dental office. And I find that very interesting because part of what we're also going to do for the free day of dentistry on October 2nd is provide blood pressure screenings, oral cancer screenings, and everyone's going to get a digital x-ray. And then we're going to ask them, what can we do? Would you like a cleaning? Is there something that's keeping you up at night? Would you like a tooth taken out, or would you like a filling? And it's their choice. Okay,
great. So we're going to talk more about what's going to happen on October 2nd. Even if we weren't thinking about the rest of our well-being and health, the teeth. Mm-hmm. You know, we often think, well, you got to go for your regular checkups regarding your car. How important is it for your teeth?
Oh, it's very important because most dental problems don't have pain associated with them. So if you wait for sensitivity or pain, a lot of times it's too late.
Here's a problem. Mm-hmm. It's tough economic times.
Yes.
People put on that list all the things that they're going to need to do, property taxes, let alone everything else. Yeah. Sometimes the dentist isn't very high on that list.
That's correct.
So why is it important to have an event like you're having on October 2nd?
We're trying to fill a need for people who are falling through the crack. The parents who take care of their children but let their own needs go unfulfilled. And this is an opportunity for them to get a painful tooth taken care of or some other dental need.
What do you say to folks that think, oh, wait a minute, this sounds like it might be something in terms of maybe a money maker?
No. Everyone's a volunteer. We have corporate sponsorship this year.
How does it come about? How do you wind up paying for an event like this?
In the past, donations. And this year, luckily, we have some corporate sponsorship. J&J Construction is sponsoring us, also Capital One Healthcare, and also Quality Dental Repair is also helping us out a lot.
And the end result is you're hoping on that day that people are going to come in and use this as an opportunity. Again, what did they do when they come in? How do they get served?
Well, what we're going to do that day, we're going to have registration from 7 to 9.
Where?
At Newman Springs Dental Care, which is in Lincroft, 539 Newman Springs Road. After registration, everyone who registers from between 7 and 9 will be seen. We guarantee that. We have many doctors working besides myself, Dr. Harry Harkumar, Dr. John Fratelloni, who's an oral surgeon in Lincroft that we work with, and also Jeffrey Zatzkin, who's a periodontist in Tinton Falls, who's joining us this year for the first time.
And again, explain what's going to happen to the patient.
They're going to come in, we're going to do a screening, blood pressure, oral cancer screening, digital x-ray, and we're going to ask them how we can help them. And everyone's going to be allowed, after that, one service, a service of their choice.
And again, you're saying that this can actually be a lifesaver in many ways.
Sure.
Because of why?
Well, we're looking for oral cancer. We're looking for things that, like I said before, a lot of times pain is not a good indicator of disease.
You need the doctor to see it.
Yes.
We have a website on the screen. How could that be more information for folks?
That is the national chapter of dentistryfromtheheart.org. They can go to that. If they can find our website on there for the event. It also has other events across the country.
And again, the event is October 2nd.
That's correct.
Thank you so much for being with us, Doc.
Thank you for having me, John.
This hour's newsmaker has been Dr. Mitchel Friedman with the Dentistry from the Heart nonprofit. I'm Joe Basikia for Comcast Newsmakers, an exclusive production for Comcast Cable. Thank you for watching.